I just made it to Borg Signs. This place is awesome. They do all my graphics and take care of all my trucks and my boats and everything. Anyway, we're getting the other side done today. This is the truck that got wrecked. When the house burns down, figure out how to rebuild it. When your truck gets wrecked, figure out how to fix it. This thing looks showroom good. We did a little video on it. She looks beautiful. She'll be fully complete in a couple of hours with the graphics on the side of it. All right, here we are at the magnificent Borg Signs. Berg. Anyway, I've been working with them for like 10 years or more. I don't even know how long. But they do all my signs, and they're finishing up the repair job on my pickup truck from the accident, putting the signs on. It's a process, but it's gonna look awesome. Can't wait to get her done. Trained professionals here. Awesome. It is a work of art. The way they lay this vinyl on there and cut it around everything, and it's just amazing. It looks so good. That's how it's done. This is a true professional. This is Chris over at Berg Signs. This is how it's done. He's making it happen.
These things exciting?
Yeah, he's beautifying the truck. Here we are looking at the prototypes. These are the stickers that we're going to be putting out, giving to our friends and whatnot. Anyway, they're pretty cool, I think. And this is the graphic artist right here. She's over at Berg Signs. Anyway. All right, one last little clip here. They did an awesome job. Chris over here at Berg Signs is just amazing. Now he's going to try to light my truck on fire with a torch. He's just preheating the vinyl so it sticks better. But it just looks so good. So professional. Bam!